Hey guys, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. While you are here, don't forget to subscribe to become part of our home decor family. Also take a minute to check out some of our previous videos, and I am so proud to say that we have officially hit over 2,000 subscribers, so thank you so much for that. Okay guys, so every time that I kind of learn about something new, I always run over here so I can show you and tell you about it. So I always tell you guys, hey, follow me on TikTok, and this is why. This style is Coastal Grandmother. Now, it may look familiar to you. I think I did a short over Coastal Grandmother before, a little while ago, but I really wanted to showcase this style. Why? Because it blew up. I mean, it really blew up, and some people say it was invented on TikTok. Now, if you've been a viewer of this channel for a while, you know that I love a lot of different home decor styles. I seriously need like a house with 8 living rooms just so I can live out my fantasies. However, I do like coastal. I actually love coastal. So when I heard about this style, it really piqued my interest. Now, for those of you that may be a little not used to this style like I was, let me go ahead and break it down for you. So Coastal Grandmother style is a fusion of coastal decor and a really cozy, aspirational lifestyle. So the Coastal Grandmother term was actually first used by TikTok influencer Lex Nicoletta, and she referred to it meaning like a really relaxed, elevated way of living. So the perfect way to really get a grasp of this lifestyle, if you guys watch movies, in the movie Something's Got to Give by Diane Keating, or It's Complicated with Meryl Streep. Those are both characters that really give you that Coastal Grandmother vibe. So when you think of Coastal Grandmother interiors, it conjures up visions of really light, open, airy rooms, fresh flowers, lots of books, comfortable slip-covered furniture, a neutral palette, baskets, and just tons of natural elements. Anything that represents a relaxed, elevated, lighter way of living and decorating. So think the Hamptons, think, Martha's Vineyard, some of these places that you would see this style in a beautiful home. This style is just, it works for it. It just works. But you can have this style in your home as well, even if you don't live near the coast and if you are not a grandmother. Now, if you want to bring this look to your home, start with a white background. Add in some window coverings and seating made from easy care fabrics like cotton and linen. Next, layer in some natural elements. Include some light woods and plenty of baskets. Finally, accent your space with decorative items. Alright guys, so leave me a comment down below. Let me know if this is a style that you prefer. Is this something that you would have in your home? I actually really like this style. It's very similar, of course, to coastal, which I do like coastal even though I am in landlocked Oklahoma. But let me know what you think of this style. Alright guys, so let me know what you thought about this video down below. If you want to know my favorite room of this video, it's this room. Doesn't this just give you very chic coastal vibes? I mean, it's full of light. I love all of this white. I love the blue color. I really like this room. Let me know what you guys think. As always, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Bye, friends.